Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Hyundai I20 Active Hatch, stock reference number 3880. This shape runs from the 7th month 2010 through to the 12th month 2015. It has a G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 15-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Power non-indicator type. Left front door, 1 small dent. Left rear door, 2 small dents. Left rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light's in good condition. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door only has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror, non-indicator type. And a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. You have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. Power fold mirror type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got an automatic centre console in black, automatic gear shifter, standard heated controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel without any audio or cruise controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.